Small tools. VCWS1 measures a person's ability to understand and work with small tools, such as screwdrivers, pliers, and wrenches. It measures motor coordination, manual dexterity, finger dexterity, and gives the opportunity to observe an evaluee's physical perseverance, frustration level, and performance on long, repetitious tasks. It is divided into 6 timed exercises.
Size discrimination. VCWS2 measures a person's ability to perform work tasks requiring visual discrimination, motor coordination, and manual dexterity. It provides insight into worker characteristics, including making decisions, accepting supervision, tolerating time pressure, and concentrating on tasks. It is administered in 2 sections, assembly and disassembly.
Numerical sorting. VCWS3 measures the ability to perform work tasks which require sorting, filing, categorizing by number arrangement, and using numbers and numerical series. It also measures form perception, clerical aptitude, motor coordination, and finger and manual dexterity. It is administered in 2 separately timed sections, moving chips from one board to the other and back again, each utilizing a different sorting method.
Upper extremity range of motion. VCWS4 measures the range of motion and work tolerance in the upper torso. The use of shoulders, upper arms, forearms, elbows, wrists, hands, and fingers is observed while assembling nuts onto bolts. Pain and/or fatigue is recorded on the upper extremity body position chart, which is provided with the work sample. The work sample is administered in 2 sections, assembly and disassembly.
Clerical comprehension and aptitude. VCWS5 measures the ability to perform and learn a variety of clerical tasks. It gives the opportunity to observe learning capacity, concentration, and instruction following. It is administered in 3 sections: filing, bookkeeping, and typing.
Independent problem solving. Valpar Component Work Sample 6 measures the ability to perform work tasks requiring the visual comparison and proper selection of a series of geometric designs. It determines a person's basic problem-solving ability. The evaluee is required to pay attention to detail and to adapt to a specific routine.
Multi-level sorting. VCWS7 measures a person's ability to make decisions while performing work tasks. The tasks require the physical manipulation and visual discrimination of color, numbers, letters, and combinations of these. It measures color, letter, and number discrimination skills and decision-making abilities.
Simulated assembly. Valpar Component Work Sample 8 measures a person's ability to work at an assembly task requiring repetitive physical manipulation and bilateral use of the upper extremities. This work sample is characteristic of assembly operations in which material moves toward and away from workers. It is an excellent determinant of standing and/or sitting tolerance.
Whole body range of motion. VCWS9 requires moving shapes from one panel to another, thereby measuring a person's gross body movements of the trunk, neck, arms, hands, legs, and fingers as they relate to the functional ability to perform work. It also provides insight into form perception, eye-hand coordination, and the relationship of gross body movement to manual dexterities. A body position chart is provided with the work sample to check each point of fatigue or pain as expressed by the evaluee.
Tri-level measurement. Valpar Component Work Sample 10 assesses the ability to perform very simple to very precise inspection and measurement tasks. The evaluee makes decisions to determine if a group of machined parts fall within specific tolerances. The performance score indicates an evaluee's ability to work successfully in occupations requiring measurement, inspection, and decision-making skills.
Eye-hand-foot coordination. VCWS-11 measures a person's ability to use eyes, hands, and feet simultaneously in a coordinated manner. It gives the evaluator an opportunity to observe the evaluee's concentration, reaction time, and planning and learning capacity. The work sample corresponds to those occupations involving starting, stopping, and observing the function of machines.
Soldering and inspection. Valpar Component Work Sample 12 measures a person's ability to acquire and apply the basic skills necessary to perform soldering tasks that vary in difficulty. It gives the evaluator insight into the evaluee's visual acuity, frustration tolerance, attentiveness, judgment, reasoning ability, spatial and form perception, and instruction following ability.
Integrated peer performance. VCWS-14 creates observable worker interaction during the completion of assembly tasks. The assembly task requires 3 to 5 evaluees to work together at 5 workstations. It allows the evaluator to observe instruction following ability, hand and finger dexterity, and color discrimination skills. Special emphasis is placed on each evaluee's abilities to interact effectively with both peers and supervisors and their ability to work as a team member.
Electrical circuitry and print reading. VCWS-15 measures a person's ability to understand and apply principles of electrical circuits and to utilize pictorial materials such as blueprints, drawings, and schematics in simulated work activities. The evaluator observes concentration, planning, and learning capacity. The work sample design provides insight into potential without basing performance exclusively on prior knowledge.
Drafting. VCWS-16 is set up to simulate a drafting table. It measures the potential for doing jobs which involve drafting and blueprint reading. It also accommodates the range of needs within industries where the requirements range from minimal expertise to sophisticated, high-level performance. The work sample is administered in 6 sections. Each section is timed and scored separately.
Pre-vocational readiness battery. Valpar Component Work Sample 17 was designed to cover a wide range of populations from trainable level retarded to special needs students with specific learning disabilities. The pre-vocational readiness battery assesses a person's ability to function in a vocational, educational, sheltered, or independent living setting. Subtest 1 provides a variety of instructions to determine the evaluee's level of understanding. Subtest 2 is a workshop-like task in which 3 or 4 evaluees participate in a simulated assembly process. Subtest 3 measures an evaluee's social and interpersonal skills in a situation other than an interview. Subtest 4 uses combinations of money and storybooks to assess an evaluee's knowledge of money concepts.
Cube. VCWS-18 measures the separate and collective perceptual abilities that help a person compensate for visual handicaps. It assesses an evaluee's coping skills in meeting basic needs of mobility, judgment, orientation, and balance.
Dynamic physical capacities. Valpar Component Work Sample 19 measures the physical demands factors of the worker qualifications profile of the DOT. It is extremely important in that it addresses both physical capacities and physical tolerance. It's an excellent work hardening and work adjustment tool.
For more information, contact Valpar International Corporation, P.O. Box 5767, Tucson, Arizona 85703 5767, or call toll-free 1-800-528-7070. you.